I wish with all my heart that I could sing.
I wish for 2 tails so I can dance.
I don't want to cry, but I'm so sad. I wanted to sing to express my feelings. Happiness, sadness, love.
You express yourself beautifully, Gabriella, with sign language.
Thank you, Ariel. I do everything with my hands. Well, I even dance.
Hey, we don't need magic. We'll make our own wishes come true. Listen closely, you'll hear music dance in your ears. Look, a song you can see with your eyes. We're all in the sea with our own way to be, but we'll never know till we try. 'Cause it's more than the voice that's singing a song. It's more than the tail that can dance. That'll make our dreams come true. It's something inside that tells you how you can start living the songs you sing in your heart, dreaming your dream, dancing your dance. Gotta try without wondering why. We must take a chance. Something inside is daring to try, daring to sing.